All right, my fridge is incredibly cluttered, full of stuff, so I have to do a major clean out, getting everything cleared out that has gone bad or we're just not using, and get that straightened up and organized. And then I'm gonna start working on the pantry because it is insane. Stuff is just starting to fall out, and I've got to start taking things out. And I don't know how much organizing I'm going to be doing, but I definitely need to get some stuff cleaned out so that we can find things better and just weed through stuff that has just gone bad. So that's what I'm gonna get started on right now.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. We
It is ridiculous how much stuff I cleared out of there. So many condiments that we're no longer using, and then I tried to organize the other condiments in these little, hold on, I tried to organize the condiments that I did keep in these shelves here on the side, and then now I have room to see what we actually have and what we actually need. And then I just got like vegetables and stuff in these drawers. And then some fruit and snacks in this tray down here. So it is looking much better now. I just have to clean up all the mess that I made, taking all the stuff out that I'm gonna throw away. I could cry. I want to cry when I open this pantry. This is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna do the best that I can. This is not any kind of super organizational tip video. It is just motivation when you have a huge mess like this that it's really hard, I know, to push yourself to try and tackle it, and we just let stuff like this build up and build up. So don't feel ashamed if your pantry looks like this too, because I've just neglected it and I don't even know what is in here, and that is the problem. So we're just gonna get everything cleaned out and hopefully get rid of a lot of this stuff that we don't even need anymore. I know it's a shame, but it is what it is. So let's get started. Did you see that? This is great. Real great.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
And say, I don't feel like other people have like food in their pantry. Everyone has those nice jars filled with whatever it is, but that's just, I did that with the jars, but there was no way to tell when something was expired, and that really bothered me because I don't want to eat something after it has been expired. So if I pour whatever I pour in there, there's no way for me to check. I guess I could write it on there or something, but it just wasn't practical for me. So I am just using baskets. It's not a pretty pantry, but I have some baskets and stuff in here to kind of try to keep things grouped in categories, but that's about the extent of the organization. I don't know how this happens. I don't know where the stuff comes from. I've thrown trash bags of stuff away. And I've lost several nails in the process, so. And I didn't have trash bags either, so my husband had to bring some home. And that is what I'm getting to now. Throwing away junk. I've got boxes, all kinds of stuff. So this is quite the disaster. To show you how bad things are, I have this Halloween jar filled with Halloween candy that no one ever ate. And I just want to throw it away. Nobody needs this. Gummy bears. Yeah, we don't need any of that. So I'm gonna get to throwing stuff away. I know I've got, hold on. Random coffee cups. I made quite a bit of progress, got rid of a lot of stuff. I just keep buying things and just putting them in there and never clearing out. Well, I think I clear out stuff, but then it just gets hectic. And there's my Invisalign tray. Probably gonna lose that. Then I'm putting like some little packets of stuff in this. Gotta find a place to put that. I'm just gonna sit that right here for now. I think I need some more bins to put up here because I have like baking stuff up here that I don't use that often because I don't bake a lot. So I've got like chocolate chips, like baking chocolates, melting chocolates, flour, and just stuff like that. I don't have to get very often because it's kind of high. I can't really get things up here unless I stand on a step stool, so. Oh, and I did fill up this jar with the sugar. There's not really a good place to put it because, see, I don't like these jars because the lids don't secure, so you can't really, if I put it up there, anytime I get it down, the lid could fly off. But we don't really use sugar a whole lot, so I guess I'll just put it up there. I do think I want to get a better jar. I know these jars are popular and everybody has them and they're really cute, but I don't know how much I like them. I still haven't even put the stuff in here that I got today. Jalapenos. Those will get eaten. Got my organic croutons made from quinoa. I honestly don't even have a spot for those. We'll go in there with the chips. We have our local honey and some local made mustards. Honestly, don't have anywhere to put them. I'm just gonna sit them here right in the front so I remember to use them. So yeah, like I said, that's not like, it's not really pretty, but that's how I'm doing it so that I can see everything, and I'm trying to condense stuff, and I really don't see a better option with the space that I have here. So all right, this is as good as it's going to get, and I put a lot of work into this. I know it probably doesn't look like a dream pantry or any kind of beautiful organized thing, but it took me hours just to get it cleaned out, and I threw away bags full of just random junk that was in here, and that's Little Bear drinking water. And like, look how much stuff is still down here. There's no better way to make that look nice. I've got a few little things, like, I feel like my pantry is empty. There's some things in here. I mean, with the space that I have, I kind of just have to pile it. I have a few things like some garlic, the fresh things from the farmer's market, just some stuff sitting out front, my tomatoes, stuff that I don't use a whole lot up there, but oh my gosh. And it's such a big difference. It looks so much better. I got so much unnecessary stuff out of there, and I've been working on this for hours, and I have so much trash to sort through. And it's 7 p.m. I am totally exhausted by now. I don't even want to cook anything for dinner, so I don't know what we're gonna do. But right now I'm gonna go outside before it gets dark and just enjoy what is left of my evening. The boys are outside riding the Razor and the four-wheeler and everything, so I'm just gonna go out there and watch and try and relax and just be happy that I have my fridge and my pantry cleaned out, and I got rid of so much junk. I have bags on my front porch that I have to throw away and recycle. So when you look at that, it's like, oh my gosh, I had that much stuff in my fridge and my pantry. So if you need some motivation to tackle your fridge and pantry, I hope this helped you. And don't feel bad if your space is a disaster, because we all get that way sometimes. And sometimes you just need a little motivation to help get you in gear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. That way you can keep up with my videos. Hit that bell notification. You'll be updated every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.